Welcome back to probably the last video of corn harvest for this year. We got one more field to do. I think it'll probably take 2 evenings, but I don't think I'll be able to make 2 videos out of it, just because tonight my plan is just to get the end rows done and then tomorrow night finish up the whole thing. But I got a couple things I want to do to this header first. Well, one thing really. These rubber flaps, I've seen some people commenting that those might be throwing corn, creating a little bit more head loss than there should be, just because it kind of rotates and then flings corn out. So I'll probably end up taking them off. And I'll probably just wash the windows and then head to the field after that. I think it's about a half an hour drive, so that's not too bad. But the other thing I want to do is blow out the air filters. I don't think they got done yet. And in the corn, running corn, we've noticed they really plug up fast. I thought it'd be not near as bad as beans, but I think it's actually worse, to be honest. So I'm gonna get that stuff done and then we'll head out. I know the right way to do that is probably with an air compressor, but I don't have one right now that's set up. I do have one, but it's kind of a pain because I got to unwind hoses and everything. So I just use the leaf blower when I'm at my house, and when I'm at mom and dad's, I use their air compressor and do a better job. But that's what I got for now.
throw the safety down on the head. Throw it down.
Is it smoldering?
Yeah, there's something on here smoldering. Gotta figure out what's hot though. Right here. Ow. Ooh, that's hot.
Oh, it's glowing. It's glowing.
Yeah, I see. Why is it hot there? It's too hot to grab by my hand.
Why is it so hot?
I don't know. That's what I'm concerned about too. Yeah, where's that heat? Ooh, that's warm. Even through my gloves. Huh, it's nice to dig out fire stuff with gloves like that. That's pretty cool.
Hole straight through them.
Ooh, 300 on that.
300.
On a brake. We got a brake dragon?
What in the world?
366
You know
on
what?
the brake drum. That's why you couldn't turn.
Did we ever unlock the parking brakes from Saturday?
If not,
That thing is pulled.
that would explain it.
Oh my word.
Oh my goodness.
We pulled it in the barn on Saturday and tried the parking brake and forgot to undo it apparently. Or I forgot.
Yeah, that's a bummer.
That
I bet
parking
it
brake
kind of
is-
smoked the parking brake.
I guarantee it.
We'll give it a bit here. 380 degrees on the drum. That's warm enough.
Wow, that was not the brightest.
Close enough. She's still smoking. Still got some up in here.
I guess that answers our question of whether or not it works.
Yeah, or it did.
Did work.
Yeah, I
Probably
might
doesn't.
be rebuilding that, but it'd be kind of nice to get all this stuff out of here.
Put a bucket and get some water out of the river.
Well, it's... Oh, true. I didn't think about that.
Do what?
Well, the river's right there. Can we give a bucket or something for that?
Don't have any. Oh,
Fried?
oh. I think it's good. Not super happy with how the chisel covered up the corn. It didn't.
Oh, really?
So he's talking about it. He's asking some stuff. He said, "Why don't you put those 4-inchers on and try that?"
yield very well is because probably a fifth to a quarter of it's just been wiped out. I'm really disappointed in this, to be honest. A lot of damage. Well, I think we got about half the field knocked out, maybe a touch more. We ended up having to quit because it's getting too tough and it plugged the tailings chain. But I think that's gonna about do it for this evening. We'll pick up tomorrow night, try to get this finished off, and that'll do it for corn for this year. Then we'll get back into tillage. So, see you tomorrow. Last day. Got about 2.5 acres left. We'll try to get it mowed off here. I think Dad's bringing some wagons over. He's getting the chisel plow set up for Carter right now. And Carter will start chiseling and we'll try to get this corn taken off.
field has so much down corn in it from deer and coons. How do you control these varmints?
Supper time. Dad brought pizza.
Snacks.
Oh, freezing. Good to have the blower going. Turn your air conditioner down. It's not cold.
Put the sunny heat on. Look at it.
Ooh, that's cool.
Paper towels if you need them.
Right through the brand new grass. Almost done. We plugged ahead. First time this year. I wonder if we caught a rock or something. See anything? Oh, sure enough. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Huh. That is 2025. Looks like that's it. Full wagon. Hold the auger, and that is a wrap. No doubt God has been good to us this year. Maybe didn't quite meet our expectations, but it did meet his, so thankful for that. Taking it home. Time to clean the thing up and put it in the barn. That's it for this year. We ended up finishing up tonight, and I brought it home. I wasn't planning on bringing it home because I don't like driving it at night, but It's supposed to be 33 degrees in the morning, and I don't really feel like starting it up at 8 in the morning and running it on the road with all the hydraulics being cold and everything. I decided since it's nice and warm right now, I'll just bring it home. But yeah, it ran great. We ended up catching a rock, which you saw, and I got that worked out. Yeah, happy with how it did this year. So I think that's going to be it for this video. I'm not sure what's coming, but make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching.